So specifically regarding bank reconciliations, they're very important. And I think I mentioned before that it's really important that when you are reconciling, that there are no rogue transactions sitting out there. When you check everything off, it should be everything that cleared the bank account for that month. And if there's anything sitting there, it might that has not been checked off. It might be a check that's just a few days old that didn't quite make the cutoff of that bank statement, and that's fine. But you don't want to see older stuff sitting there. You need to resolve all of that. The reason why this is so important is cash is king. Your client needs to know how much money they have available. And if you have old outstanding transactions that you've not resolved or gotten rid of or figured out what happened, they really don't know how much cash they have available. And they might know what the bank tells them they have available, but do they really have that much truly available in their checking register? So it's very, very important to make sure your bank reconciliations are clean every month and there's no rogue transactions sitting there for months and months and months unresolved.